looked at them in more detail. Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. Today we're going to focus on a fairly common problem if you own and drive old cars like me. So the question is, how many times does this happen to you? Man, I'm gonna pop a blood vessel. Now's the time when you need a car caddy. And I bought this about 2 or 3 years ago, and it's come in very handy, particularly pushing cars outside up to the garage door. A lot of times on flat surfaces, you know, they're fairly easy to push, but to get them positioned in a bay or to get them in and out of a shop, to bring them over here to work on them, this comes in very handy. So I'll demonstrate for you how it works. And so 2 reasons I use it. One is cars don't move, which happens more than I'd like. And 2 is if it's cold outside and I gotta move some cars around and I don't wanna fill the shop with fumes. So you can see these different levels of rubber bumpers on it. The idea is to try and get the front of the car up in the air if you can. On this one it might be difficult because of the fog lights and the license plate, but I'll go over here to the side. And if you can get it, it does going forward and reverse. If you can get it up in the air, step on the back,